What's up YouTube, it's your boy RD Control 22. Today I'm going to be attempting to tint my taillight. Don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we'll be able to see. This is what my headlights look like right now. Taillights, I meant, Jesus. Taillights, a little dust. I'm gonna just clean them up real quick. I got my tint right here. I'm gonna go a little bit darker. And then I also got my heat gun. Don't forget to prep your surface by using a microfiber cloth and cleaning it. I'm gonna use alcohol. So far I got this part laid down real good, as you can see. The material definitely affects how well you do your job. I will say that. So I had to move from the counter because it kept wobbling. And this is as far as I got. It's a lot harder than it looks. I'll be straight honest with you. Right here where my figure is a little imperfection. Just push that right on out. This first tail light looks really good. Got a couple small imperfections, mainly one spot. These tiny ones, super duper tiny right here. That don't bother me because that's in the top corner. Got the second tail light done. Pretty much I have to just trim. And everything else is buttery smooth. Probably not gonna do a design today, but I'm gonna install these and then show you guys what that looks like. And then later on in the future, I'm probably gonna try and cut some kind of design, cut out the whites, you know, in the future. But right now I just like them glossy and I want to install them. I use night shades and I had it on for 2 years and I loved it when I first put it on. But as you can tell, the night shades is dull and it wears out. So my left light was always darker than my right light. I mean, I'm okay with small imperfections, but that bothered me. So now I'm hoping to get a nice, even, clean, glossy look. Make sure you get your 10mm socket. Oh, forget it. Stupid camera. Did I place that on there? So this is what they look like with the lights off. And that's when they flash on. So as you already can tell, they look 10 times better. Way cleaner. Makes the back of their car look a lot more complete. And the light output is even better actually because it's not foggy. So as you can tell when I press this, the unlock button, you can see the lights a whole lot better.